Okay, here's my quick video to show my understanding of Zoom. I have the Zoom app, so I just go into Zoom and this is where it pulls up. I've already made an account. I can access my number for the Zoom meeting right here, which will be the number that I use for any future ones as well. I can copy and I can send it to other people, send it to my students. I can also go in and schedule it, give a start time, hit it on the calendar, other calendars, whatever I'm sharing with my students. I'm assuming it would be a Google Calendar if I'm going to be using it with my students as well. If I want to join other meetings, this is where I'll join, but I'm assuming that as a teacher, I will most likely always be the host in, in my future classes. So I'm going to start today without the video right here. That's how I would start without the video. If I wanted to start with the video, I would hit the button that was next to it that said start with video. Once I'm in here, you can see over here I have my mute. As I speak, it goes up and down. That allows me to mute myself or leave myself speaking. If I wanted to start my video, I have the option to do so right here. See, here I am, the host, or I can turn on my video and you could still hear me because you see my mute going on up in here. Besides the schedule over here that I talked about, or just sharing this number, I could also copy this URL and share the URL, which is a good way to give it out to students. Once I'm in, I could also invite them, which I'm assuming, I don't know yet because I'm not a teacher. Right now, I'd probably do it through contacts with my friends and my family. But as a teacher, I would most likely use email most often, since that is the most professional way in contacting other people. Managing participants right here, manage participants down at the bottom. I can mute all, unmute all, do more, kind of just depends on what I'm doing in my meeting. All the participants will show right here, and then I'll close that. Let's see, if I wanted to share one of my screens, I hit share, and I'm going to share this screen just so you can see it on my Screencast-O-Matic. So I could share one of these other ones that I have open, but I'm going to choose this one today. Share. And you can see right here I got my sharing stuff up here, and it's sharing right there, and then I can stop. I'm going to stop it. Text chat right here. Can message, let everyone see it. Or if I want just the host, which is me, technically, but if the participants want just the host, they can select that as well. I showed how to schedule a meeting already. Okay, and then some special features is you can record. You can choose to save the recording on the computer or on the cloud. I probably do computer just because that's where I have everything. I can pause and stop. Stop. Another really cool thing that I love about Zoom is the breakout rooms. When I have all my participants, I can choose to put them in rooms for discussions. I can do it automatically, or I can do it manually. This is the numbers, and then it allows me to create. Right now I don't have any participants in it, so it doesn't work, but at least I know where it's at, and I've done it in the past, so I know how to access it and make it work. Anyway, that's Zoom. That's kind of what I know about it. I hope to use it in my future classrooms. I definitely see a lot of benefits of it, especially with the screen sharing and the breakout rooms, and I hope it's something that I'm able to apply in the future. Thanks for watching.